Hello gang, hello friends, hello gang friends. Welcome back again. Thank you for joining me again. I hope this video finds you well again. Hello again. My name is Jo and I do nail stuff. She does stuff with nail stuff and stuff she does with nail system with nail stuff and stuff for nails. So this is my second upload in one evening. So go ahead and check out my channel for more Valentine's videos. This is another ANTI-VALENTINE'S. It's just a quick one. We are starting with blackout. We're going to do this on 2 nails. I'm only doing 2 for this design. I would go ahead and put black on the rest of them, but you can do whatever you want on the other 3. So I'm now taking Alaska, all gel perfection colours that you can get at diamondglitters.co.uk, and you can use code TEAMDG for a discount. So I am drawing what looks like the beginning of a capital E, and I want to try and get the edges, the ends of the letters quite sharp and squared off, but we can fix that later with more black. And then I'm going to do a U, so it looks so far like an EU, something I'm not in anymore. Oh my goodness, the other day I saw someone post on Facebook saying, I can't believe we're not in Europe anymore. I mean, they were young, but the future is doomed. So it's not actually an E, it's going to be an F and an E. So I'm faffing around with my edges still. So I'm doing the middle part of the F now, the line. But, well, let's say middle of the E of what we see so far, but I'm doing it higher up than the middle because it is actually part of the F, and the bottom part is going to be the bottom of the L. I've seen this a few times, and I didn't watch any videos on how people have done it. I just kind of thought, I'll decide myself how I'm going to do it. You can possibly do all the bits of the letters separately, but I figured this way was just easier. Maybe that is how other people have done it too. So this is going to be the top of the C. Again, I'm faffing around trying to make the ends of the letters neater, but don't worry too much because, like I said, we'll go and fix that with some more black. And now I'm doing the bottom part of a V. So I am joining them all up. It just was going to be easier to get them in the right place that way. Why am I so out of breath? I'm lying on my bed. So I didn't know at this point with the V whether I wanted it to be pointy bottomed or flat bottomed. So I was coming from each side of the V. When I was coming from that side, I was like, yeah, straight. And then this side, no, we'll do it pointy. So what did it turn out like? We went flat. And I'm now doing the top part of a K and the bottom part of an E. They kind of look like the type of symbols you see on rune stones, don't they? I made my own rune stones when I was at school once, when I wanted to be a witch. Didn't go down very well doing it in the Peace Garden at my convent school. bag of rune stones and a book of love spells. So the middle part of the E we're doing now, making sure to do it low enough that when we run the black line through the centre of everything that's going to divide these 2 words, that you're not going to get rid of any of the E. There's enough room between the middle line of the E and the arm that's coming out for the K. Beg your pardon. I'm now taking black again and just starting to draw that line through the centre, obviously making sure that the right parts of the letters start. Like, you wouldn't have wanted to do it further up because you'll lose that little bit that sticks out below the middle line of the F, and you don't want the what will be the bottom of the O on the right. You don't want to have any of those straight lines that are from the U below the black line. Am I talking gibberish? Perhaps it's better to watch this in silence without me confusing things. I'm cutting off some of the V there because it was higher than where my black line was going to go, and where I have filled over that white bit, I did just feather it out a bit so it wasn't a blob on top. So just feathered that black out, and then through the K, and then cure those, and then okay. So now I'm just neatening up It's easier to go back and neaten the lines because I can neaten by drawing a straight line as opposed to try and make the letter angles straight and the ends of the letters squared off. You know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? I'm now taking Siren. Have I said these are all Gel Perfection colours? I think I have. If not, then they are. And filling in all the bottom part in red. So that's going to be the word that is half of the word love. And then obviously the top is half of the word I know. Very rude. Very rude. It was only half rude, really, I suppose, because you can only see half of it. And then I cure this. I was flash curing as I went with the whole thing, really. So do the first letter, give it a flash just for 5-10 seconds, and then start with the second. And I'm doing the same with each red one I do. Because it's going on top of another colour, it kind of wants to shrink back, where we're sort of trying to do it line to line. So I flash cured that as well. And then I decided to top the top half with Make It Velvet, a matte top coat. And then the bottom part with Diamond Gloss, of course. And I'm not sure whether I should have done that because it kind of makes them too separate. You know, it splits them up too much. I think it would have looked better if they were all matte or all shiny. You would sort of, the illusion would be better. Whereas this really breaks it up. But I'd done it and I just couldn't be bothered to go over the whole thing in one or t'other. So yeah, maybe I would do it all the same. You can see there before I cure that it probably does look more of an illusion to have it all one finish. But I went half and half just because. Why not? And then that's everything. Just a quickie. The reason I'm doing 2 tonight is I figured if you're going to do Valentine's nails, then you're going to either have done them or be doing them very soon. So this is 2 of them. Look how shiny Diamond Gloss is. You can see my Guardians of the Galaxy hoodie in it. That's them. I hope you like it. If you do, go check out all my other videos. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you very soon. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you being here. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.